Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Aries. For your daily reading, guys, we'll be picking few cards. As usual, for your love reading, it's going to be like a pick a card. So I have two piles. I'll be picking one card each from each pile. So whichever card you want to watch, you can skip to the timestamp, guys. I have given the timestamp in the description and you can watch that video. So for your daily energies, Queen of Swords, Three of Wands in reverse and Queen of Wands in reverse, guys. So with these cards in your situation, this may relate to your personal life or your career situation, guys. I see here that all your troubles are coming to an end today, Aries. Whatever difficulties you are facing in your work or in your personal life, all that disappointments and struggling situations, all that is coming to an end today. So end of your disappointments today, guys. Maybe whatever you were expecting for yourself, you may be getting that. All your expectations may be coming, maybe beginning to manifest, guys, coming towards you. So that's also what I see. And maybe by the way you are progressing towards your goals and you're reaching success, there are people who do not have that true concern about you. They are just there to use you. So you have to be aware of such people in your life. So they are just jealous and they want to deceive you in some ways. You need to be really careful about them, guys. This may be your energy in your work situation or in your personal life. This person, they are just there to use you. Maybe they are just there for fun in this connection, not for that true love and that deep bond. They do not share that deep concern just like you have for them. So they are just there for fun. So you need to be aware who is that person and stay away from them, guys. That is also what I see with these cards, guys. And in your situation, you have that clarity in your thought and you have that knowledge about your situation, what you need to do, what is your next plan of action, and your perception of your situation and your circumstance is very clear. And you are a very honest person, guys. So people around you, they appreciate you for your honesty and the way you speak truth. So that is what I see with these card series. That is your daily reading. For your love reading, you can choose the pile, skip to the timestamp and watch that video, guys. That is coming up right. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is the first deck and this is the second deck. I'll be picking one card each, guys. So whichever deck you want to watch, you can watch that card. So we will start with this deck first. I'll keep this card aside. I'll be picking one card, guys, for your love reading. So this card will give us the guidance in your situation, what your person thinks of you or what you think of your person, and what is the energy with your connection, guys. So this is the card here, come to the edge. So with this card in your situation, guys, this denotes having that courage, having that faith to take that step forward in your relationship or this connection. It means overcoming fear and accepting risk. So we are faced with some situation where we do not know what will the situation turn out to be, what is the outcome. So we are afraid to take that risk sometimes. And at this time right now, all you need to have is that courage in your heart, have that faith in yourself, listen to your heart, whatever your heart is guiding you today. So you may have some intuition or some gut feeling about what choice you need to make today. So when you have that gut feeling, you have to go for it. That is what this card is about, guys. So in our relationship, sometimes we are just scared to reveal ourselves, our truth, what we are, what our characters we have, what are our likes, what are our dislikes. So when we let ourselves to be truly seen, only then that person will be able to see our true self and be able to build this connection on that truth. So if you want this relationship, if you want a deep meaningful connection with that person, you have to go for this that true bond based on truth, whatever is there in you. So that is what this card is about, guys. So it is time for you to have that courage, have that faith in yourself, and go forward in your life today. Have that confidence. And that is what this card is about, guys, and that is the reading with this card. Let us see what is the other card. So I'll be picking one card from the other deck, guys. So this is the card Divine Discontent. With this card, guys, the energy in your situation. So you may have all the things you need in this relationship. Attraction is there, intimacy is there with this person, and you may have love for each other, but some part of you is just feeling sad. You feel something is missing in your life, in this connection. You are feeling sad about something and you cannot describe it or point it to something in this connection, guys. It may be you may feel that it may be some fault of that person, maybe, but you are not sure, or it may be your fault in something, maybe, but you are not sure. You are not able to point it out what it is, but still you feel that energy, that something is missing in this connection. Maybe because you feel that way because in this connection you don't have that total satisfaction in this connection, guys. That may be the reason that deep down in your heart of hearts, something greater, something better may be coming towards you. So that is the reason you feel that lack of fulfillment or contentment, even when you have that lovable, attractive person right in front of you. So that sense of incompleteness is there. Maybe for some of you, this may be a time for you. You may be focusing on your spiritual aspects, guys. Maybe for some of you, you may be working towards moving towards that spiritual awakening. Maybe this mundane love or this love on the physical plane, it may not interest you for few of you. Or if it is in this relationship, it may be something you are longing to have that deep connection with this person, that deep bond based on truth. That may be the reason for you to feel that lack of fulfillment or satisfaction in this connection, guys. So that is the reason you will be pushing yourself, working towards that deep meaningful connection today, guys. That is what this card is about. So that lack of satisfaction, that sense of missing or anxiety in your situation, yearning for something or longing for something, that may be the first step that is going to help you to make this connection more deeper, and that is going to help you to further this connection, deepen this connection, and go for that deep meaningful commitment in this relationship, guys. So that is what this card is about, guys. Let us conclude this reading with a beautiful poetry from Rumi, guys. Winter falls upon us, so spring can bring new growth. Cry the tears, allow the longing. Sadness brings surrender and a deep desire to be free. Rumi. So this card is based on this poem, guys. So that is the reading for today, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.